terrifying at all. I do want to see it though. Oh good, maybe.
Thunderstorm warning. Large hail and high wind is possible. Listen to radio and TV for details.
Alright, good times, let's go.